Hi, I'm Doug. I work with 20 great guys in St. Louis at Doug Jenkins Custom Hot Rods, and we're going to do some work for you today on Expert Village. Now we've got the piece set up in the paint booth, ready to shoot the color. We do it in a paint booth because it's well lit, it keeps the shop clean, it's clean in here. Dan masked off the back edge of the piece in order to keep the black painted area from getting new color on it. The car we're repairing here is painted black with maroon all the way to white flames painted on it. So the grill flange that you see taped was originally painted black, and we need to protect that black paint through this next process.